Here we've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and pick display, and now go to the wallpaper. Select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be either one from live wallpapers, some from your photos, or picture from the wallpaper gallery. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, we've got a few here possibilities, and we can pick this one, then click on set wallpaper. Decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen or both of them, so I will pick the second option. And as you can see, from now on, brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. That's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.